don't know where should I. There's a lot of places.
Can you guys do a bathroom?
I got it. Hold my phone.
Oh, bad. Oh, bad. All right.
Hey,
Let it run through your video.
Alright, ready? Good job.
All right.
Yeah.
See
See
you later.
See
Hey guys, what is this
Where
video?
should I like hide?
Welcome to the video.
Okay, guys, I'm going like down this aisle.
We're trying to find it, but we can't. This is such a big Walmart, and not only that, the fact is there's a lot of people here. So there's a lot of little kids that look like Demi. So, no. Yeah, there is. A lot of little kids here. Hurry up. Maybe she's in the bike section.
Is that? So guys,
Demi? Oh, no. No, not Demi. Is she in
oh
here?
shit, it's fine.
Demi, you in here? No, she's not in there. Here, maybe he knows. Have you seen Demi anywhere?
Why are you still on top of my bed?
Demi's no.
Never mind, I found a spot. It's right here.
I'm just wondering what's going on.
Not bad.
Have you looked at the sugar cane farm? Do you like it?
Ouch. Scoot in. And I feel like I'm gonna be really lost.
This is a colorful section. Demi?
Why is a pig in the
I'm
bowl?
on camera now. Recording in progress. What's up, guys? Have you seen Demi anywhere?
Oh,
Okay, you gotta keep looking, Marcus.
that's strange.
We can put this boxes down. Lucas, find me.
No!
You think I'm not here?
Demi. Demi, we have to keep looking. Maybe she's at the McDonald's, she's trying to get something to eat, you know, people are getting hungry. Okay, that's fine. The thing is tricky because, like I said, there's so many little kids here that look like Demi, so, like, we don't really know what to do.
Oh no.
I'm getting bored. They're taking so long. Where are they? It took a long time.
Demi! She's not in there, bro. She's not in there. Keep looking, keep looking. She's good at hiding.
I'm going to go out and look for them.
We almost saw 5 fights in Walmart. People are fighting in Walmart. We're just trying to make a YouTube video for the kids. But actually though, we don't know where Demi is. To be honest. How are we supposed to like, how do we know? What do you mean? I'm gonna keep looking around. She's a good hider. She's a really good hider. How do we know like when she's like actually done? Didn't you give her your phone?
I'll be right back.
Then you did. Oh, what are you talking about? How are they supposed to know? I mean, how else are we supposed to contact her? Like, you know what I mean? Should you ask me? I don't know. This is actually being serious, because like we actually don't know where she's at. I know. We're never gonna find her. Hey guys, so like we looked everywhere and like can't like we actually find her. We actually lost a little sister. We should ask. Like it was like a game at first, hide and seek, and then like we weren't thinking with our heads. Yeah, we didn't give her like a phone to contact with, like contact us. So. Have you seen our little sister anywhere?
No. Your sister?
Yeah, we can't find her.
Little sister?
Yeah.
I don't think so. You're something over there. You're something there.
We actually did. No, we actually did like lose her. 'Cause, like we have our phone, like we didn't give her a phone, so we can't like contact her. So one of the ladies gave us like a really good like point. She said like go to the intercom and ask where our little sister is. So hopefully they can help us.
Let's go find them. I'm very sleepy.
Excuse me, have you guys seen my little sister anywhere?
Excuse me. Can I get a picture?
Yeah.
Right, I'm coming into the line.
Thank you. Have you guys seen my little sister anywhere? We like lost her here.
Hi.
Who
item right behind you.
Customer service, they have to have over there. Come over here.
Wait, how do you hold your map in your other hand?
So basically, like, we're gonna get customer service to try to help us.
Ah,
Afternoon shoppers with the customers on the name of Danny. Please come to the fitting room to be recorded.
we need to
She's
explore more of
outside,
this
right?
place.
Maybe she's waiting for us, like, at the car.
Oh, I
So,
Come here, I gotta go check. Let's go check. Come on. Come
Gonna
here,
be
I gotta
so
go.
can explore with
Where's
us.
the car?
Oh no.
Let's look somewhere over here. We're
Somebody
actually trying to
said
look for
go
our little
blind
sister,
flying,
and
because I'm getting
like people
really
just don't
bored
get it.
sometimes.
Like it's not a joke. Like where's our little sister? I'm calling mom right now. Like this doesn't make
Oh,
sense
we
why they
gonna
just kick
go
us out and we're trying to look for our little sister. Like what
Try
the
to
heck?
get to the...
Maybe we should go.
Yeah?
We lost Demi in the store and like we can't contact her.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. And like they kicked us out before like recording.
No.
Yeah, and now like we can't find her. So what should we do? What do you think we should do?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Did she come to you? Are you like pranking me?
No, I mean we'll try to find her, but like they're just like not being like cooperative.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Chica, you scared me so much.
I know we can't find Demi. Like so what should we do? I mean we did try to call like the people in the front, but they're not like doing anything.
You need to sneak back in the store and go look for her, please.
Okay. We're gonna sneak back in.
Go look for her. Just try to sneak in and very gently sneak back into the store and she must be so scared. Go look for her, please.
Alright, bye mom, love you. Lucas went to go in to go find her, so I'll just wait out here. So I'm just waiting right now. I'm FaceTiming Lucas to see what's going on. My phone died. Yo! Yo! What? I don't know. I found her. I found her. Demi, where were you? You were hiding? We were trying to find you for like 2 hours. Find our little sister. Come on, Demi, you ready to go home? What happened, Marcus? I don't know. She's been gone for hours. Demi, where were you hiding? Did you fall asleep? She probably pranked us, to be honest. Were you hiding from us?
No.
Yeah, you were. You like fell asleep or something, Demi. We've been looking for you for hours. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. We post every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Don't forget to go subscribe to the W Brothers channel. We post every Friday and Saturday on that. Today's notification shout out goes to Demi. If you want a shout out, all you have to do is turn on the notifications and comment down when you're done. Let's go home.
Oops.
Today's a very special day. I'm nervous, guys. I'm at the gymnastics gym, and Marcus is not here. We have Cyrus here, though.
What's up, crew? We about to surprise Marcus for their birthday.
Yeah.
It's gonna be really fun. I can't wait.
I'm gonna start going and set up. We have some fans here. Look what's going on. But I'm nervous. I've never done anything like this before. Like I said, I'm gonna surprise Marcus for his birthday. Today is his 19th birthday. I have a lot of people helping me set up, so. Hi, Dad.
How's Lava?
Good. There's a lot of people here. I didn't expect there to be this much people. Pretty crazy. So we're gonna be probably setting up in here. This is a dance room. I'm kind of nervous, but see, I'm already getting like frustrated and like nervous. But
We got
oh
seen.
my gosh, I just hope Marcus enjoys this.
That was
I've never like set up a birthday surprise or anything, so I hope it goes well. I guess I'm gonna start setting up. My mom knows about this. There's gonna be a lot of kids trying to help us out, so.
You want me to look in the other bedroom?
quiet.
No, I think we're gonna set up in here. Or what do you think we want to set up?
In the other?
Yeah.
He's over here.
Yeah, Dad, it's a surprise party. What's going on?
Who's party?
Dad, you don't know?
Just like,
I'm
Well,
surprised
I could have
Marcus.
been.
For his birthday.
Oh, yeah, right.
Oh
I'm
my
just kidding.
God.
I knew that.
Yeah. Look how crowded it is. Like, there's all these people over here. Hopefully all these people stay for Marcus's party. That'd be good. But, I don't know, we'll see what happens. I forgot, Marcus and I are twins, so it is my birthday as well on January 28th. So, first birthday surprise ever I've ever done for Marcus. This is the first one, and you get to see it. Make sure you give us a thumbs up. Oh my gosh. I just gotta keep going. I told Marcus to meet me here soon. No one's helping me to set up yet, so I'm just waiting. My favorite thing about the toaster pie is like pinata. But the bad thing, there's only one bad thing, guys. There's no candy in it. I didn't have enough time to put candy, but we also have like birthday plates. Look at all these kids in the window right here. They want to be the surprise. They know it's Marcus' birthday and my birthday as well. So, yeah, there's gonna be a lot of people helping out. A lot of people, crazy birthday surprise. You guys are twins? You know I have a twin, right? Today is our birthday, and I'm
Anyway,
surprised
guys, I don't know how I call it.
Wait, is this your triplet? No, that's not your triplet, right? Alright, you guys helping us out? Alright, let's do it. Thank you. Oh, give me a hug. Oh my god, I'm getting love. Hey guys, so tomorrow's my birthday, but thank you. Do you guys know how to tie balloons?
Yeah, I do.
That's good.
I love balloons.
Yeah, if you guys could like blow them up and tie it, that'd be awesome. And you guys can store it on the floor. It's working out, guys. It's working out. A lot of people are helping out here. Look at all these kids in here helping out. That's awesome.
There's a pot in the cave that we haven't looked in yet.
Oh god, I'm stuck. Ah! Alright. How do you get some coal? Oh.
Something good for this party, man. That's all. And I'm trying to eat too.
That's not. Who bought that? No one even bought that.
Hey, maybe we should add sushi to the party. It might taste better.
Okay, but I don't think. Oh my gosh. This is actually insane, bro. My parents are coming in clutch and helping out. Look at all of these.
Everyone, please, can you get organized? Let's fix the balloons and open the bags.
Thanks for being here. Thanks for helping me out.
As always.
So we need to
Halfway
give everyone one of these.
to work
This is mine. I hear from this one.
So when Marcus walks in, everyone's gonna blow up and get lit.
Make sure you take one of these.
We need some help. Who's going to be our helper? Put your hands up.